appointment tayo sa dentist ngayon. So dito mahigpit, pinapagsuot ka ng mask, which is good naman, diba? So magpapalinis lang tayo ng ipin ng ating mga pangil. So alas 11 appointment, so not sure kung anong oras ako tawagan dito. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Maris Life in Australia. Today I am in Midland Dental. I normally come here because my dentist is super nice, and his name is Matthew.
Hello.
Would you like to invite him to your dental?
Yes, of course.
See you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you want to?
Yeah.
You want to say something?
Yeah. I'm Matt, so I'm the main dentist here. Yeah. If anyone wants to come, that would be great. Yeah.
I'll tell you guys, I'll give theirs 5 stars. Good treatment. Very good man. Cares about his patient. So please come. It's in Midland. You can always book at any time. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
It's nice atmosphere here, guys. So, okay. So here we go, guys. It's called Midland Dental Center. So you go in here. That's the name of the dentist. And I tell you, go and see Matt. You can always book. And the atmosphere here is really cozy. Really nice. Okay. So please do. If you want to see a dentist, come to Midland. Midland Center is one of the best. And Matthew is very good. Thanks. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to Maris Life in Australia. Thank you. Okay guys, here I am. Tapos na yung aking pagpapalinis ng ipin, and it's really raining right now. Buti na nga lang, may mga cover sa mga side na mga building. Tapos, nakapark yung kotse ko doon. The funny thing is, I paid about $3. I know it's only $3. And, how you call it? It's 12:15. Ibinuk ko. Pero natapos naman kaagad. So anyway, we're going to the car now. And I'm gonna stop to Mama and give her some suman. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. At makipagkita kayo doon sa dentista na yon. He is really super nice. I'm telling you. Maitatras mo siya. Ayan guys, I had my teeth done already. It's clean. It cost me $250 to have it clean. But because I'm not on any private, so it costs us. But then again, if you think about joining the private, how much do you pay there monthly? You see? Kaya hindi ako nag-join sa mga ganyan. Kasi, how many times do you go to the dentist? How many times you really have an emergency? And these private practices ng mga healthcare, private healthcare, every year they go up. Diba? So, what is that? $250 I paid? So, what if I don't claim anything? At least I don't have monthly to pay. So, ayan guys. So, come and see Matthew. He's really nice. It's in Midland. I promise you, I guarantee you, super bait siya talaga. Hindi ka lolokohin. Matatras mo siya talaga. Ayos. Oh my God, I'm face to face with the car that I like. Tignan nyo naman yan. Ganda. I'm in Big W, and I'm looking at all these beautiful baby dresses. My God, look at that. Yan, tagal pa naman kasi mag-anak ng anak ko eh. Ano ba yan? Ayaw pa eh. So nakakatuwa lang talaga oh. But we have been buying baby clothing na pwede sa babae o sa lalaki. Tignan mo naman. Palagay ko mai-afford sa akin ng apo ko pag ako ang nagkaroon ng apo. Oh my God, Diyos ko. Shopping every week. Ang gaganda. Mas yung mga pambatang panlalaki. Mga salawal, ano lang oh. $2. So, teka muna ha. Maniningin muna tayo. Oh, ayan oh, tignan nyo. Sorry. From $5. Ang gaganda ng mga bra. Malaki ng ano ko ngayon eh. Dibdib. Mm. Ayan guys, nakaluto na ng ulam. Yan ay salmon. I cook salmon in onions and tomato. And then I light fry the salmon. Then I put them all together. And then on this side we have steamed silver beet. So that will be the dinner tonight. So I said ayaw ko magluto. Tinatamad ako. Pero nagluto pa rin. Oh well. So, maghain na tayo ng chibugins. I don't know if I can handle. Ayan guys, nakaprepare na ang kanyang hapunan. Ang akin, itong konti. Hindi ko pa nga ito mauubos eh. Alright, kain na muna. Wow, nakagawa na naman ako ng sumanis. Medyo matagal lang siyang gawin. Pero worth it. Nung araw, lagi ako naghahanap ng ganito dahil hindi ako marunong magluto. Ngayon, marunong na ako. Nakakapagdala pa sa family. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung paano ito kakanin dahil ayoko na nga na may matamis eh. So, ayan. Tignan yung kulay ng tubig. So, ayun. Kanami. Ano ka? Sarap yan. Ayos. Luto na. Gutom na aki. Sarap. My God. Talaga pa ako. Matakaw ko sa ganito eh. Nakakataba. Nakakataba, nakakalaki ng bilbil. Kanin yan eh. Kain na kayo. Ayos. Masarap.